Rules-based product configurators, also called configure price quote applications, are like magic for modern manufacturers. They simplify the creation of tailor-made and personalized products by applying smart rules for compatibility, bill of material requirements, and pricing. Commonly used for complex items like machinery, automobiles, home goods, and industrial equipment, CPQ tools not only save time and reduce costly mistakes, but also elevate the customer experience. Features are the building blocks of product customization. Take bicycles, for instance, where frame design, seat type, and style come into play, offering endless personalization possibilities. Various seat options may be paired with attributes like color to fit every rider's preference. This setup determines available choices aligned with the corresponding bill of materials, ensuring a seamless transition from concept to creation. Item configuration settings use feature combinations with rules and additional details to create a framework for product configuration options. For example, bicycle styles may include mountain, hybrid, dirt, or electric bicycles. Rules can then be applied to refine choices, ensuring compatibility and precision. For instance, batteries and motors are excluded from non-electric bicycles, keeping configurations accurate. Complex options showcase the power of formulas to handle intricate scenarios and calculations for material requirements, costs, and pricing with pinpoint accuracy. Start by adding configurable items to sales orders, allowing you to customize them to match your customer's specific needs. As you move through the configuration process, the rules engine becomes your guide, highlighting missing selections with visual cues, such as features marked in red that require attention. Enter options such as frame size, frame color, the state or province for the sale, custom engraving details, and more. Watch as the product price changes with each selection, driven by the configuration setup. You can even layer on discounts and promotions. All features turn green when you define the final required option, indicating that the configuration is complete. You can now save the item and generate a production order to make the custom bike. This streamlines workflows for configure-to-order items that are now ready for production, ensuring a smooth and efficient handoff from sales to manufacturing. Advanced features provide pricing flexibility with configuration keys to simplify data entry. Display configuration details on invoices for order transparency. Configure items from quotes or CRM opportunities that copy to sales orders. Configurations may contain non-stock items, and you can easily connect to external apps with open APIs for greater flexibility. Acumatica's rules-based product configurator stands out as one of the most user-friendly and cost-effective solutions on the market. By partnering with Configure One Cloud from Revelize, we bring cutting-edge capabilities to the table, including advanced features like nested configurations, immersive 3D visualization, guided selling, and dynamic configuration from web storefronts. Transform complex manufacturing scenarios into a seamless experience with Acumatica's rules-based CPQ application. Streamline product customization from defining features to dynamic pricing, ensuring precision and eliminating costly mistakes. Contact us today to learn more and take your product customization to the next level.